Ever felt that your car's braking response just isn't quite there, leaving you wanting more control? Well, this unassuming auto accessory from Wilwood Engineering might just be the game changer you've been searching for. When this little box arrived, measuring a neat 5 by 11.7 by 38 centimeters, you might wonder what kind of magic could be packed inside. But don't let the compact package fool you. What's inside is a single, meticulously crafted replacement brake pedal designed to elevate your driving experience. It's easy to overlook the pedal itself, often seen as just a simple lever, but for those who truly understand vehicle dynamics, the pedal is the crucial interface between driver and machine. The Wilwood 331-130-1 isn't just a piece of metal. It's an engineered component designed to translate your foot's input into precise braking action. Coming from the United States, Wilwood's reputation for quality engineering really shines through here. You can almost feel the dedication to performance in its design. What does this mean for you on the road or track? It means a noticeable improvement in tactile feedback. The pedal offers a firm, consistent feel that allows for finer modulation, giving you a more intuitive and confident connection with your vehicle's stopping power. Imagine being able to feather the brakes with incredible accuracy, reducing lockups and optimizing weight transfer. This isn't just about stopping faster, it's about stopping smarter with greater control and predictability. For enthusiasts, this kind of upgrade is genuinely thrilling. It's a small change that makes a surprisingly big impact on overall driving confidence and enjoyment. Whether you're navigating tight corners on a circuit or simply want a more responsive feel during spirited street driving, this pedal delivers. The build quality feels robust and purposeful, exactly what you'd expect from a critical control component that needs to withstand constant, demanding use. It's clear this isn't a flimsy aftermarket part. It's a serious piece of kit for serious drivers. Ultimately, the Wilwood Engineering 331-130-1 replacement brake pedal isn't just another auto accessory. It's a fundamental upgrade for anyone seeking superior control and a more connected driving experience. It truly delivers on its promise of enhanced precision, making every stop feel more deliberate and controlled.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.